Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a new user account on Windows 10. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, open your search box and type here computer management and click on that, and double click on local users and groups and click on users, and right click here, click on new user and enter here username. You can also give here a full name. You can add description here and give here a password, confirm password, and you can check this option here, user must change password at next login. You can select or deselect this option from this list and then click on create, click on close. So here you can see I've successfully created a new user account on Windows 10. If you think to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.